Hey everybody, this is Jeff from RX, here to tell you about the new dashboard that we just unveiled in USMLE-Rx. We've worked with hundreds of med students to improve the page, and our goal was to make it easier for you to visualize your progress a little bit more effectively, and also make it easier to jump to the areas of RX that you're working on. So we're going to start by just taking a look. First off, you'll see in the top left area, you can manage your subscriptions, so you can see how much time left you have on your subscriptions. And we're also kind of keeping track of your streaks. So if you're regularly checking in, we're going to reflect that. You'll also see your latest activity. So perhaps you were reviewing a brick last night before falling asleep and you're struggling to recall which brick it was. Now you can jump straight to that brick. So you can see a couple days ago, I was studying histology of blood vessels, so I can go straight into that brick from here. If you have RX 360 or Flash Facts, you'll now be able to go straight into Study Stream from the dashboard. So you can adjust your daily goal straight from the dashboard now. If I wanted to bump it up to 200 cards, I could do that, save it right here. And I can also see how many overdue cards are in my queue. So you can see I've got a number of cards that have piled up on me. The dashboard also gives you a quick way to see your progress in various tools like Qmax, Flash Facts, and Express Videos. So you can go straight to those tools from here. So for example, in Step 1 Qmax or Step 2 CK Qmax, you can view your tests, or you can create a test right here from the top. You can also see how you're doing. So you can see how many questions you've answered and how many you've gotten correct or incorrect. So you can see all of the raw data is included here, and you can see within the graphs, how many questions I've answered and how many are still unanswered. And if I want to dig deeper from here, I can go into the cumulative analysis. So when I click on that more Qmax analysis, it's going to take me into the cumulative analysis page. Similarly, in Flash Facts, you can view your existing decks, you can create a new deck, and you can also see the confidence ratings for all of your cards. So here you can see the number of cards that have been rated nailed it, okay, or don't know, as well as all of the cards I haven't answered. And again, you can go in and take a deeper dive within the cumulative analysis section. And again, the same applies for Express Videos. So you can view your playlists, you can browse all of the videos, or you can go and take a look at the cumulative analysis for Express Videos. Now, at the bottom of the dashboard, you're going to see key information regarding your use of RX bricks. So this includes the bricks you've worked on recently, the number of bricks you've completed, the number of collections you've completed, and the amount of time you've spent studying in RX bricks. And if you want, you can go straight into the collections and begin browsing bricks from here. We hope that you find the new dashboard helpful, and as always, if you have questions or suggestions, please drop us a line. Thanks for watching.